Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel JB Graphics. As we always do, we offer you the best and we give you explainable videos. Okay, in today's tutorial we're going to use this PixelLab, and then this, you see it's written in Chinese, it's called Photog. So we're going to use both. So the main thing is how to mock up on Photog. If we say mock up, if you are new to the graphics design, when we say mock up, it means making realistic thing of what you have done. Especially we do it to logos so that you can see the realistic view of your logo. So your work should be in your PixelLab or any app that you use to design, but it must have a transparent background. So let's go. I come, then I move to my projects. I have some projects done here, so let me use one of them. Okay, Amwahil Aluminium. Okay, so you see this one is having a pink background, but in order to mock it up, I would have to, let me add a shape to it. So I will merge. Okay, I will position it in the middle. You see, so I have to get rid of the pink background. So you come to background, give it a transparent background, then you do what? Save. Or before that, you can add texture. So let me add texture to it. Where is my texture? Images. You come to textures. Let me add this. No, I don't think this is cool for me, so let me change the texture. Okay, texture is how rough, smooth something is. So I'm giving my work a texture. This logo is for an aluminium company, so I have to give it, a metallic texture. You just don't have to add anything just like that. Let me see. Which one should I even add? I want a silver texture. Silver. Okay, I think this is cool. Silver texture. Okay, I'm going to use this. So I'll click on it. Okay, this is cool. So I give it a transparent background, then I save as image ultra. So now we're going to mock it up using the Photog. Now you have to follow me step by step because the Photog is not written in English. So you open your Photog, you go to new project, this new project, now you see we don't have anything here, so you come to stickers here, sticker, then you come to insert from gallery, without crop or with crop. I will not crop, so without crop. Then you come to your gallery just once, other albums. It's opening. Okay, it uses network, so let's wait for a while to load. So you see, you scroll through, then you go to your PixelLab. Where is my PixelLab? PixelLab. Other albums. I go to PixelLab. This is my work, so I click on it. You see, then I enlarge it. You come to size, then you enlarge it. It's okay now, so I close. Then you come here, you click on this three dots on your right, top right. Then you come to convert to 3D mockup. You click on accept. Okay, so these are the mockups. Okay, so I'm going to choose this mockup. So if you, the mockup that you're going to choose, if you select, click on this, the one with the purple background, you click on it. It's not written in English, so you follow the steps. After clicking on that, you see an ad will play. You have to wait for it to finish playing. Okay, when it is playing, it will load here. Check the left down corner, it will load over there. So you wait for it to finish loading. You see, it's loading down there. Okay, it's done loading, so it will come and I'll close it. There will be a close button. Okay, so I click on back. You see, now when it says successfully sent to server, click on this, the first one. This, click on that. It's loading. It's converting everything to 3D mockup. You see, it's loading over here. You see, so this is the work. Now when it's downloading, you click on this, the one with black background. This, you click on this to save into your gallery. You see, it's downloading over here. Wait for it to download. It uses network, so let's wait for a while. It's loading, you can see it. Okay, so it has been saved to a gallery. Now you click on home, you open your gallery to check if it's there. So you can see it from here. You have DCIM. You can see these are all Photog mockups. So this is my final work. As you can see, let me zoom it for you. You can see it's very nice. Okay, so this is how we use the Photog to mock up our logos. Please, we mock up logos in 3D forms like this, not flyers. People have been mistakenly doing it, but please don't be like them. Do the correct one. Okay, thank you for watching JB Graphics, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below, share for others to benefit as well, and God will bless you. Thank you very much. See you some other time. Bye bye.